yes everything. So I yes everything for myself, I yes everything for other people. And guys, I'm not exaggerating. I really do yes everything. There are absolute no's that are obvious, right? If somebody says, I want you to come do X, Y, and Z, and they want me to come talk to a group of people and I have to fly across the country, and those people have nothing to do with my business and there's no opportunity in it, and they want me to pay for everything, that's a no. I mean, I'm not talking about the obvious no's. You're in an abusive relationship, that's a no, right? You are in a scenario that is unsafe for you or your family, that's a no. Right? You are asked to do something that means you have to put every ounce of work in and you can't find a single way that you'll get something out of it. That's a no. I'm talking about the things that there is huge opportunity and there's little opportunity, right? Yeah, and Monica, that's a beautiful way to say it. Say no to something that's not profitable or just abusive, or what means you can say yes to all the things you need to be saying yes to. But what I do want to say is there has been a ministry around no recently, and I really want to change it to a ministry of yes. I want to say one other thing before I jump into this next thing. And it's Suzanne. If you've never been to a Suzanne event, this is just who I am. I say it. I just say it. Other people are thinking it, but I say it, and it's just what you're going to experience the next few days. That ministry of no has been built on making you, setting you up to not be intelligent enough, inspired enough, evolved enough, emotionally stable enough to know that even if you say yes, you could handle it if it doesn't go right. And that's why I hate this ministry of no. I hate it because it's going, Rhonda, you sweet little thing, you need to say no more because you can't handle yourself and you need to set healthy boundaries. Sarah, oh my sweet Sarah Sunshine, you are sunshine, but you just need to say no. You need to wake up every morning and think of all the things you can say no to because you are just not wise enough and experienced enough that if you said yes and it got all fucked uppery that you can get out of a fuckery. I believe that Rhonda and Sarah and Lee and Kim and Peggy and Cece and Pascal and Lynn and Evelyn and Linda and Karen and DJ and Ann and Julia and Denise and Penny, I believe that you are wise and you are wonderful and you are wild and you are evolved and that you are strong enough and you are supported enough and you are clear enough that you can say yes to everything, and then if that yes goes in the wrong direction, you can yes something different or no the fuck out of it. But how many opportunities are you missing, right? How many opportunities are you losing because you're like, I just need to make sure this is perfect and right? I'm saying yes and it'll work itself out. So all I'm inviting you to do is to say, how would your life be different, right? If you said, I'm going to say yes to everything and then I'll work it out. There's obvious no's. We've established that, so don't get confused. Right, Andrea? Right? What if I just say yes to everything, and then I'm going to work it out?